The two major reasons cited by those who wish to avoid probate are to save money and to save time. In this video, we're going to show you how to calculate how much a probate procedure would cost you. Thus, you could figure out how much money you could save. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. On this program, we assist probate attorneys and personal representatives with real property that's in the probate process. If you're interested in that type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. When considering the cost of probate, you basically have three options. Option number one is to self-administer the probate, commonly known as in pro per. If you choose this option, you could expect to be out of about $1,500 in order to get the probate process started. You will need to pay petition filing fee, and if you qualify, that particular fee can be waived. You'll need to pay publication fees. You'll need to pay certified copy fees. You'll need to pay other court fees and an appraisal fee. This is the most challenging cost option because you don't know what you don't know. And it could wind up costing you a lot of time and a lot of stress. The second cost option is to hire a paralegal. A paralegal will assist you with preparing all of the required court documentation. I have seen the paralegal costs run anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000. It could be even more depending on the complexity of the probate. The third cost option is to hire a lawyer. Probate lawyer fees are determined by a statutory fee schedule. This statutory fee schedule addresses how attorneys and personal representatives are to be compensated. When you understand this process or this fee schedule, then you know what you can expect to pay a probate attorney. Let's take a look at Probate Code 10810. Remember this formula: 4, 3, 2, 1. A probate attorney will be paid 4% of the first $100,000, 3% of the next $100,000, 2% of the next $800,000, and 1% of the next $9 million. There is more, however, keep in mind that most of us aren't dealing with estates of $9 million and more. Keep in mind that these fees are based on the gross value of the estate. It does not take into consideration any liens against estate assets. Another technique used to ballpark the cost of a probate procedure is to use 5 to 6% of the gross value of the estate. That will give you a good idea of how much you can expect to pay for a probate procedure. The personal representative has the duty to identify and collect all of the assets of the estate so that a judicial form DE 160 inventory and appraisal form may be prepared. This inventory and appraisal form is sent to a probate referee who is assigned by the court to appraise the estate and give it a date of death value. For an example, If a probate estate is worth $1 million, the ordinary fees an attorney is entitled to is based on Probate Code 10810. The attorney would be entitled to $23,000. Also, the executor or the administrator would be entitled to $23,000. However, we'll talk about the executor or administrator fees in another video. Even if you hire an attorney, it could cost you $1,500 to $2,000 in order to get the probate process started. However, this money will ultimately come out of the estate. If you do not have this money, often this can be worked out with your probate attorney. And if the estate gets involved in litigation, there can be extra cost known as extraordinary fees. In the case of extraordinary fees, lawyers are allowed to bill hourly for their services. What I would like for you to take away from this video is you can ballpark the cost of probate. It doesn't have to be a mystery anymore. Use the probate code 108104321 when you are considering the probate process. Remember, however, a properly funded living trust will allow you to avoid probate and avoid a lot of the issues we just discussed. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. Thanks again for watching Win-Win Realtors TV. I'm Darrell Williams, and I'll see you in the next video. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not intended to be legal advice of any kind. I am not an attorney. If you need legal advice, feel free to contact me for an attorney referral.